Okay, next concept here is conversion of any inverse trigonometric function to simplest form. Okay, as you already know the properties of inverse trigonometric function, that is the simplest form becomes that is tan inverse of tan x is x, sin inverse of sin x is x, then cos inverse of cos x is x. Okay, in similar manner, okay, using proper substitutions, okay, we have to convert the any inverse functions into simplest form. Using the properties of inverse trigonometric functions, we have to convert the inverse trigonometric functions to simplest form. There is first one, it is convert the following inverse trigonometric function to simplest form. Okay, this question or these questions are asked for 3 marks question. It is first one, tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Okay, it is x is the unknown term is there. We have to substitute x in proper manner. That is, we already know what is the form of 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square form ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಯಾವ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. 1 plus x square ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 plus tan square equal to sec square x. ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಜನರಲ್ 1 plus x square equal to something ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಜನರಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square x. cosec square x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ 1 plus x square ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ. 1 plus x square ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ 1 plus tan square ಇದೆ, 1 plus cot square ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to choose the proper substitution. x is substituted by either tan x or x is substituted by cot x. ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, that's why I choose substitute x is equal to tan theta. X if you x is replaced by theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು x ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. That's why x is substituted as in the numerator or it is in the before form. Substitute here x is equal to tan theta, then we have to convert this form into simplest form. It is tan inverse of root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by, here is x is tan theta, it is replaced by x is equal to tan theta. Now simplify this one. That is tan inverse of root of 1 plus tan square theta is already sec square theta. It is root of sec square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Now simplify this one. Square root cancelled out, remains as tan inverse of, okay, this is sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Outside is angle, tan inverse is there. The simplest form becomes in the numerator only. Inside ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ tan x ಆಗಿ ಅದು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. That's why if you again simplify that, this tan inverse sec theta is replaced by 1 by cos theta. As you say, there is 1 by cos theta minus 1. Tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta. Very good. Okay, we take LCM. That is tan inverse of, this is LCM is cos theta, 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta whole divided. This is sin theta by cos theta as it is. Okay, similar cos theta cancelled out. This is tan inverse of, okay, 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. As you know, 1 minus cos theta in half angle formula, that is tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta in half angle form, it is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, as you know already. That is 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. And similarly 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. And sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Next, if you simplify this one, simplified as that is tan inverse of, that is 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 2 sin theta by 2 divided by cos 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. It is 1 sin theta by 2 cancel, 2 cancel, remains as tan inverse of 1 sin theta by 2 remains in numerator divided by 1 cos theta by 2 in denominator. It is sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 becomes tan inverse of sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 becomes tan theta by 2. As you know the property already, tan inverse of tan x is x. That's why tan inverse of tan theta by 2 becomes theta by 2. What is theta? Theta is already replaced as this is theta is equal to what here is tan inverse of x as the property of inverse trigonometric function. That's why theta is replaced by tan inverse of x whole divided by 2, or it is 1 by 2 into tan inverse x is the simplest form of tan inverse root of 1 plus x square minus 1.